spoken English questions. 1. Are you coming? 20. Won't you go? 2. Do you smoke? 21. Don't you get it? 3. Why do you ask? 22. When to eat? 4. Why are you sad? 23. What do you do? 5. How are you? 24. Is everything okay? 6. Do you know? 25. How is your pain? 7. Where to go? 26. What to study? 8. Is it a holiday today? 27. Are you happy now? 9. When to speak? 28. How to go? 10. Why are you crying? 29. Why me? 11. Do you like me? 30. Who cares? 12. Are you angry? 31. What to see? 13. When to sleep? 32. Whose bag is this? 14. How old are you? 33. How do you know? 15. What now? 34. Are you inside? 16. Whose book is this? 35. Who am I? 17. Won't you come? 36. Who is there? 18. Where is she? 37. Are you there? 19. When to go? 38. What to know?